Hi, my name's George Grijalva, and I'm a carpet cleaner just like you. And I'm going to be putting on a free carpet cleaning class down at San Diego Truckmount Supply. If you could contact my friends down there, Joe and Ludo, and let them know you're coming, that would be great. We want to make sure we have plenty of food for everyone. This is your opportunity to come and learn and take the information back to your company to be more successful. I'm going to teach you guys all sorts of trade secrets in carpet cleaning, from bonded inserts to specialty stains, pet damage, upholstery cleaning, what marketing works and doesn't work, how to upsell. I'm going to leave everything on the table. I'm going to motivate you. When you leave there, you're going to be feeling bulletproof. And for those of you that don't know who I am, I'm George the Carpet Cleaner. I did a national PROCHEM tour for carpet cleaning. I also developed a DVD series, 100% real jobs, no classroom stage situations. If you're a carpet cleaning company, every carpet cleaning company needs these. Go to my website at carpetcleaningtradesecrets.com and check them out. But I can't wait to meet each and every one of you at this free carpet cleaning class at San Diego Truckmount Supply. And remember, every morning when you wake up is an opportunity for a fresh start.